How do you make char cloth? I'm going to make this quick and easy. These are cans I get when I buy the Seresto collar for my dogs. Okay? And I took this nail, the tiniest nail you can find basically in your house, and I punched a hole in it. That's it. See that little hole right there? Now, inside, I put a whole bunch of little pieces of jean material. Cut them up, throw them inside. Got your little hole. Put your lid on top of it. Take this outside and do this. Don't do this in the house. Get yourself a little stove, whichever one you want. Light it halfway. Put your can on top when you got it lit. Like so. And what's going to happen is you're going to see smoke come out of that hole. It's going to do that probably a good 15 minutes, depending on how big your container is. When the smoke stops and you pull it out, this is what you're going to have. Super easy to do. You're going to have char cloth. Like so. Nice big pieces of char cloth. Take that char cloth, hit it with a magnifying glass, and you got yourself a fire. Either that or Flint and Steel. So, char cloth catches fire extremely, extremely easy. Now, when your can is done smoking, don't open the lid. Leave it outside, I don't know, good half an hour. Because if you open the lid right away when the smoke starts, it may just poof and instant combustion. So, don't be doing that. This is really good stuff. Nice and thick. You can hit that with a magnifying glass. I cut this one in circles. You can cut them any way you want. Squares, whatever. And you'll have an instant fire. So you got any old pairs of jeans, cotton balls that'll work with cotton balls too. Anything that's basically cotton. And make yourself some char cloth. Put it inside your bug-out bags. Put it inside your backpacking bags. I always have some ready to go. This container is ready to go. When I run out of this, I put this on the shelf. Jeans are cut up inside of it. I have so many of these Seresto tins, it's ridiculous. When I'm done using them, I throw them out and I get rid of them. So, you can use other tins. I mean, it's really up to you. You're just trying to keep everything in here sealed except for that little hole. So basically, the carbon dioxide, everything comes out of that hole, and the chemical reaction begins with this. So go out and make yourself some char cloth, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.